Are you looking for a safe and legal app to start investing in crypto? Let's discover the best options to protect your investment and give you peace of mind. We're going to go over 5 of them. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now, let me just tell you this. Investing in crypto can be exciting, but it comes with a lot of risk. It's very volatile, especially when it comes to security, for the risks. Last thing you want to do is lose all your hard-earned money, and that's why choosing a secure app is super important. Now here are 5 of the best legal apps for crypto investments with high security. Now, we got Coinbase. Coinbase is known for strong security features and insurance for stored digital assets. You got Gemini. They offer top-notch security, including 2-factor authentication and cold storage. You got Kraken, provides advanced security tools to protect your crypto and personal information. You got BlockFi, a reliable app that gives you security and a way to earn to earn interest on your crypto investments. And you got eToro, which provides a security platform for beginners with strong security protections for your investment. And these apps are going to help you invest with confidence, knowing that your funds are safe and secure. So start investing in crypto today, without the fear of losing your money. And if you found this video at all helpful, leave me a like. I love you.